Hey everyone, welcome back!
Woo!
Today, I'm going to show you how to make $5,000 in just 30 days on X, formerly known as Twitter, starting with nothing but your phone. Sounds crazy, right? But believe me, it's possible. And I'm going to break down exactly how people are pulling in anywhere from a few $100s to tens of thousands just by tweeting. Yeah, that's right. Some people are making more from a single tweet than YouTubers make on a whole video. So, if you're ready to go from $0 to $5,000 in a month, grab a snack, hit that like button, and let's dive into the strategy that could change your life. Step hash 1. Set up your X account like a pro. Okay, I know what you're thinking. I already have a Twitter account. But hold up, we're going pro today. This is about optimizing what you already have to make people take you seriously. First up, your profile picture and username. It's like your first impression at a party, but the party's happening at light speed. People scroll past your tweets like they're swiping on Tinder. So, you want to stand out.
Woo!
For your profile picture, keep it simple but striking. Whether it's a bright background behind your face or a slick NFT if you're into crypto, make sure it's something eye-catching. And your username? Make it memorable but related to your niche. If you're diving into finance, don't call yourself Unicorn Rainbows 247. Go with something snappy but relevant. Next, let's talk banner. A lot of people forget about this, but your banner is prime real estate for telling people exactly what you're about. Highlight what topics you cover, whether it's crypto, finance, or something super niche like, I don't know, knitting in space? Add 3 keywords that sum you up, and boom.
Woo!
Anyone who sees your profile knows exactly why they should follow you. Oh, and don't sleep on your bio. Keep it short, sweet, and spicy. Tell people what they'll get from following you. Daily tips? Industry news? Hot takes that'll make them rethink their whole life? Sata. Make them feel like, this is the person I need to follow. It's like a dating profile, but instead of swiping right to they're hitting that follow button. Step hash 2. Develop a content strategy for X. All right, now that your profile's looking sharp, let's get into the content strategy. Because if you want to hit that $5,000 mark, you need to be strategic. We're talking intentional tweeting. People are making serious cash on X because they're not just posting random thoughts like, I just ate a burrito. Instead, they're offering valuable content that speaks directly to their niche. Here's how you can structure it. 80% valuable content. Tips, insights, news, memes, whatever resonates with your audience. 0.20% promotion, whether that's affiliate links, your own products, or sponsored content. Why this split? Because if you're constantly promoting yourself, people will start scrolling past your tweets faster than they skip through YouTube ads. But if you're dropping nuggets of wisdom, people will be ready to click when you do share something promotional. Think of it as building up trust before you cash in.
Woo!
Step hash 3. Engage. Engage. This step is huge. If you want to make money on X, engagement is everything. You need to interact with your audience like it's a big group text, to be responsive and funny and authentic. Think of X as the biggest networking event ever, but with memes and a lot fewer awkward silences. When someone replies to your tweet, don't leave them hanging. Jump in the conversation, tag others, and build those relationships. This helps your profile stay active and gets your name out there. And don't be shy about using hashtags. They're not just for Instagram influencers selling detox tea. On X, hashtags help you hop into broader conversations, which means more eyes on your tweets. Pro tip: join spaces and communities. Not only can you learn from others, but participating in or even hosting your own spaces is a great way to reach a new audience. Plus, when it positions you as an expert in your field. Step hash 4. Start monetizing. To see multiple income streams. Here's the fun part. Making money. Now, there are several ways to monetize your presence on X, and it's smart to diversify. Let's break down some of the top methods. Affiliate marketing. Super easy to get started with. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon, Shopify, or ConvertKit, and start sharing those links in your tweets. Each time someone clicks and buys, you get a cut. It's like getting paid to share your favorite finds, except now your finds are making you cash. Sponsored posts. As you grow your following, brands will pay you to post about their products. If you have around 5,000 followers, you might earn anywhere from $20 to $100 per post. Scale that up to 50,000 followers, and you're looking at $500 to $5,000 per post. Super follows. Set up a subscription for exclusive content for your followers. If you've got something special to offer, chatas like insider tips, or early access to content, people will pay to get in on it.
Woo!
Selling products. Got a course? An ebook? Maybe some swag? Plug it into your bio, tweet about it, and watch the sales roll in. Pro tip. Give your audience something useful for free first, and then hit them with the sale. Hook them with value, and then reel them in. Ticketed spaces. Want to run live audio events? You can charge for access with ticketed spaces. If you're providing valuable content, people will be willing to pay to join in. Step hash 5. Track and adjust. No strategy is perfect right out of the gate, so track your progress. Use tools like Twitter Analytics to see what's working and what isn't. What kind of content is driving engagement? Which tweets are leading to conversions? When you figure that out, you double down on what works and adjust the rest. Like anything in life, success on X requires trial and error.
Woo!
Don't be afraid to pivot when something isn't working. You're basically a digital entrepreneur at this point, and flexibility is your superpower. Final thoughts. Let's get that $5,000. So, there you have it.
Woo!
If you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to hitting that $5,000 goal in 30 days. Or even more. Remember, it's all about optimizing your account, delivering value, engaging like crazy, and leveraging those income streams. And don't forget, consistency is key. Keep putting in the work, stay active, and you'll see the results. If this video helped you, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on making money online. I'll see you in the next one. And who knows, maybe we'll be celebrating your first $5K together soon.